Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Sounak Kumar Chaudhary. I am a professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of IIT Kanpur. I am going to introduce a course on manufacturing processes, casting and welding. So, as we know that to get the final product from the raw material, we need to go through various manufacturing processes like metal removal processes, which we call as the mass removal, or constant mass operations, or by adding mass operations by adding mass. So, in this course we will be emphasizing on casting and welding, which are casting, for example, is, as you know, it is a constant mass operation where the mass of the final product and the mass of the blank remains the same. Now, in this we will touch upon the process characteristics of various casting processes which are known, and as you know, the casting is one of the most important manufacturing processes, constant mass manufacturing processes. By this we can produce small as well as very big parts. So, therefore, the importance of casting in the manufacturing, in the gamut of the manufacturing processes is very high. Now, we will be analyzing various aspects of casting. For example, we will see how the riser can be designed, how the getting system can be designed. Overall, as you know, the casting the principle is very simple, and it seems that there is nothing to understand as it is, because you melt the workpiece, melt the material, the metal, pour the molten metal into a shape, into a form, let it solidify, and you have the final product. However, during the process we have to look into many aspects to get a good and the defect free casting. So, those aspects we will be studying in this course. For example, if we say that sand casting, what kind of a sand you will be using, whether the abrasives or the particles will be bigger size or it is a smaller size, what will be the effect of the casting, final casting on this, or how much clay you will be adding for mixing, how much water you will be adding for mixing, and so on so forth. There are many important factors. Another thing, for example, you will pour the molten metal, what should be the temperature of that, okay? Whether it will actually whether it will completely fill up the entire mold, or some defects will be occurring because of the inadequate temperature, and so on. So, all those things we will be studying in this course. We will be studying the defects, different kind of defects, the technological factors that you have to consider, the cost factor that you have to consider to get an ideal product with the minimum cost, and so on. Okay, in this course, in the welding, we will be studying again the process characteristics of different welding processes, and that includes the very modern welding processes as well as the welding processes which are used these days. We will be looking into the tungsten inert gas welding, or the metal inert gas welding, or the ion beam, or the laser beam, or the ultrasonic, and so on and so forth. So, it is going to be an interesting course. I can assure you this course will be suitable for the undergraduate students as well as for practicing engineers, and I welcome you to this course. Thank you very much.